Hi, my name is Derek, and I'm excited to welcome you to this course. I'm really excited, I'm stoked actually, to dive in and to show you everything I can think of about graphic design. But before we do, let me just tell you a little bit about myself, a little bit about the course, and then we'll get right after it, I promise. So like I said, my name is Derek. I already told you that though. What I didn't tell you though, I have over a decade of experience as a graphic designer and a web developer. I started my career working for a large creative agency based out of Washington, and then my wife and I moved to Montana, where we started our own creative agency. And over the last several years, we've worked with clients all over the world in countless industries. My passion for design has grown with each passing year. I created this course to help people just like you learn the skills and the programs needed to find work as a graphic designer. Whether you want to work as a freelancer, maybe start your own company, or carve out a career working for an agency or an in-house designer of some kind. I love that a career in graphic design allows me the freedom to spend time with my family, while also providing a great income and the ability to use my creativity on a daily basis. If this is what you're looking for, what you're after, then you've definitely come to the right place. My primary goal with this course is to give you a broad look at the techniques and the tools necessary to be a successful graphic designer and to successfully complete some of the most commonly requested projects in the industry, including but not limited to business cards, brochures, and web graphics. Nothing great is ever achieved without hard work, and this course is no exception. So to get the most out of every section, you need to be prepared to roll up your sleeves and try out the programs and projects for yourself, to push those pixels around and to refine your skills. The best way to learn, in my opinion, is just to dive in and try something. At the same time, design is so subjective. You could literally spend hours just picking out the right font for a project, let alone all of the other design nuances that come with it. So with that in mind, I'll give you an overview of what it takes to produce each project, and then you can push the design as far as you want to go on your own time. Graphic design is an incredibly broad industry, and I could literally spend hundreds of hours teaching you every little nuance of each program, all the design theories and the terms that go with it. But since the goal of this course is to get you up and running quickly as possible, I've tried to really distill down each course section to the core informational pieces necessary for you to be able to confidently create projects from scratch and to launch your career as a graphic designer. In order to continue to be successful as a graphic designer, or actually in anything in life, but in this case as a graphic designer, you need to constantly be a student of design. So even with over a decade of experience and considered an expert in my field, I still take courses and I still attend seminars and conferences as much as possible to stay current in this industry. For this course, I've tried to present the resources and any other items of interest along the way that will allow you to learn more if you find something interesting and want to go more in depth with any of those topics. Alright, so let's go over how this course is structured real quick and then we'll dive in, I promise. So first and foremost, we'll start with the programs and getting the applications installed. If you've already done that, you already have Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign up and running, then just go ahead and skip the next video and dive right into the next section. We'll then immediately get into the project. So we're going to start with simple items to get your feet wet, to build your confidence in your skill set, and then from there the course will slowly move into more difficult projects and techniques. Again, to get the most out of this course, be sure that you're prepared to put time in with following along with me as we work on the projects, and that you're also willing to get creative and to bring your own design perspective to each piece. If there's a resource available, they'll definitely be attached to the first lecture of each section, and you're welcome to use those assets however you want. Thanks again for joining me. Truly, thank you so much for signing up for this course. I'm really excited, I'm honored and humbled that you would want to even listen to me speak. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm looking forward to helping you create a career that you love. All right, ready to go? Let's dive in.